Hi everyone, I'm Mandy. And this is the product for our customers. And let's open the box and see what's inside. Come here. Okay, when we open the box, we can see something to protect the product. Oh, there are lots of our round tags. This is for our magnet LED light. And here are also some the driver. And for this one, it's a dimmer. We can use these accessories. We can use this machine to dim the light, to make it dark or bright. Okay, put it back. And there are some customized LED lights. Let me show you. Oh, here is the power supply. So many products. Oh, see. Here is the LED spotlight. Okay, that's all. So if any interest, please feel free to contact Mandy. Bye.